table, dude. We're doing well. We're doing well. We're up $40,000, dude. Okay, so we're on our way to London. We have to go to JFK first. We arrived at the airport during boarding. They called our name over the intercom. We had to run through the airport. It's a very humbling experience to run through the airport.
Especially when you look at how you run. And someone
How I run or you run?
Me.
But we made it. We're on the flight to JFK, and then we've got a little bit of a layover, and then we're on our way to Heathrow.
For the Manor Mastermind.
The Manor Mastermind.
Manor Mastermind.
Alright, so we made it on the plane. Our bags did not. Peyton's emergency bag, my bag full of literally nothing I could have gone without. I just threw a bunch of random stuff in there. There's like jammies, and that's it. So, we're gonna just hope that our bags make it to London. There's a possibility that we get to London, we go to the event, and we have nothing. No clothes, no makeup bag, nothing. But luckily I'm in the position that I'm in, and we can just buy a bunch of new stuff. So wish us luck, because now we gotta get on the flight to London right now. What a journey. Well, we're gonna make it to London. We won't have any bags, but we're gonna get there, and that's all that matters.
Absolutely. I just introduced the room very briefly and I will let you rest.
Okay. Oh, love it.
Cute.
I know Bazil did. I'm not sure how many of you guys took a long position in crude on Friday. I was able to capitalize on $30,000.
Where are we?
We are at the Rosewood Hotel, getting ready to go get coffee, get a blowout, and we're gonna have to buy new clothes because our suitcase, there's just no possible way our suitcase is making it here by tomorrow. There's just no way. Oh my God, there is $4,000 worth of new Aritzia clothes in there. That's crazy. There's still stuff in there that, I need that stuff. I need that bag to be found.
It's not.
There's not a price you can put on that.
I don't think that bag's coming.
Ever?
I don't think so. Great. Let's go.
Woo!
Apparently there's a very fancy cocktail spot that we can.
It's 37th in the world.
37th in the world.
In the world.
What's
And we're
number
going
one?
tonight after Novikov. Better believe it.
Novikov.
Novikov.
And that's what I have to say about. Stop right there. Don't break up with me. Oh my God.
Cynthia.
What in the name, dude? What is happening?
This is what I imagined London to be like.
Hey, this is definitely the debate team from the 19th century. Look how cute that is. Are you me? Cabaret Club? Are you f***ing what the?
So we ended up grabbing coffee. We got some wellness shots because we were jet lagged. We tried to go shopping for any replacement clothes that we could. And turns out we just mostly got makeup.
Okay, update us. What'd you get? What's happening?
So we've got makeup and that's it. We still need shoes and clothes. Shoes and clothes. And then went straight to our reservations, which we were freaking almost 2 hours late. I think we were definitely over an hour late to Novikov. So we got back from dinner. I fell asleep because, you know, I'm 32. I'm ready for beds. And she has decided we are going to the cocktail bar. So this is what we're doing. I just don't feel put together, but it is what it is. She's just telling me to work it.
None of y'all.
It's easy for her to say when she got her hair done.
My hair is not done. My hair is.
She's on brand. She got the jean fit and the boots, and I'm wearing granny skimmins.
Good evening, welcome. How are you tonight?
All right, guys. It is officially the end of day 1. No bags, no toothbrush, no makeup, no nothing, no bags, nothing. Hopefully, by the will of the Lord himself, that we get some bags tomorrow, because we gotta go to the Manor Mastermind. All right, guys, well, wish us luck. Hopefully we get our bags tomorrow, because otherwise I ain't got any idea what we're gonna do as far as outfits and clothes and makeup and hair and stuff. All right, guys, good night. It is our first day in London.
So, how's the morning going?
We're fine. As long as I can have girlfriend brain around Peyton, we're fine. I'm just along for the ride. If we get there, I'll make everything work. We were picked up by the one and only Fernando, the designated chauffeur of the Rosewood Hotel, and we got him all day. Love that for us. But here's the thing. He had to take us to the airport to get our bags. On the way back to the airport, we drove as slowly as we could through Buckingham Palace. It was just beautiful, absolutely stunning. What an amazing palace. It was cool.
Well, Tori Trades, what are we doing back at the airport?
We are picking up our found luggage that is no longer lost. It has been found.
What is that?
Interesting.
Well, do you have my bags?
I can't believe it. I don't know how they were found, but they were, and now it's time to go to the event. We are hella late. We missed most of the first day, which is so unfortunate because it's only a 3-day conference.
Ready. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. I have no words. I just want to get on a horse and run through these fields.
Wow, wow, wow.
Who'd have thunk London was country like this? Are you so excited?
Oh, I'm thrilled. Look at this.
What?
Look at this little path.
Look at that pathway.
Look at that path.
Dear Lord, find me a horse and find her a man. Yes, this is us, the Manor Mastermind.
The Manor Mastermind.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And will our bags be coming soon?
Yes, my colleague will bring the bags through for you.
Great.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Look at all that. Oh my God. Did you not see the horseshoes?
Hey,
Dude. Dude.
79. What? This is crazy.
How cute. What? I can't snuggle you. It's twin bed.
So cool. We got a little baby.
And a horse. Another horse. My God.
Wow, that one's very bright. All right, let's get some freaking dry shampoo and get dressed.
Alright, well, where are we?
We're at the Manor Mastermind.
This is the first session we've made.
Yes, the very end of the first day. So we
You help me help all these people, right? It's yours. It's all of these things. Yeah.
Okay, let's just do a little recap.
Okay.
Check your How about Grandma was right all
She
along?
was.
How about she is the Manor Mastermind?
She knew.
Detox,
Mm-hmm.
eat clean.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
Yeah, supplements.
There's only 8. Can you just get your ass right in there?
What you want me to do?
I don't know, small. Okay, come on. Watch your step. How gorgeous. Hi, how are you?
So it's ripe berries and...
I'm gonna take the one without the bug.
Yeah, sorry.
It's okay.
Yeah, of course.
It's right, I'm gonna take the white.
I thought you were gonna say I'm gonna take the one with the bug.
I'll take the one with the bug, don't worry. I'll take the one.
You seen those TikToks where they're like, yeah. Excuse me while I frolic in the fields.
I would love nothing more than take these heels off.
and frolic. Well, I got Ahmed in it.
Okay.
What did you think of the event
I got
so
a
far?
med in mine as well. Well, so far, I will be avoiding burnout. That's all I've gotten so far. I missed all of the team building, team structure, organization.
This is more important. Your mental health, dude. Let's get that right.
It's retention, it's the parade. What's it look like?
So I can kind of spin that as part of the brand.
I tried to make sure that I was actually shooting with them.
You would, though. Cute heels. Where the f Where are we going?
I don't remember. Dude, I don't remember where the we're going at all. Are we gonna walk all the way to our hotel?
Thank you, love.
Alright, here we go. What was yours?
Everybody.
Still very American. It's a whiskey built there. Alright. I look like an anime character.
W's in the chat.
W's in the chat. Okay, so this is our very first. Hold on, let the crowd know.
I'm very nervous.
So we only get one shot to do this, but we're trying to split the G. Let's just look at it from a different angle here. So we got this much, and think of it as a circumference.
That's a
big old glove. That's a glove. That's a glove, two gloves. I'm gonna let you go first.
We're doing it at the same time, mother. Okay, fine. I'm ready. No, I got so close.
I went too far.
No, it is enough.
Damn it.
God, it's so much.
Don't look at me, I'm embarrassed, okay?
So obviously things were a little bit rough the next morning. We needed something to just really get us back and going. And instead of hard drugs, we just decided to order an IV drip to the room. So, safe to say, it did not go according to plan.
Motherfucker.
So, quick update. Peyton couldn't hang.
Oh my god. I literally that. Dude, stars and blackout. Oh. Oh. Nice. That's good stuff. Mother dog. Fire. Holy heavenly.
So, we're feeling better. I got a little bit left. And then we're going to dinner. You know where we're going?
No, but do a little turn. Where are we going?
Dinner.
How do you feel?
Freezing.
But do you feel better?
I do feel better, dude.
Oh, God, I'm so proud of you. You're back.
I'm back,
You're
barely.
better than ever.
Well, I've been better. I've been better. Oh, come on, get some video.
Work
There
it,
we go.
baby. Work it, baby. Work. We got
There
it.
we
We
go.
got
There
it.
we
We
go.
got it.
So spiffy, look at him.
Look at him.
Look at him go.
Precious. Oh my God, you're precious. You're precious. Where are we, Tori Trades?
We are at dinner, and I'm still just a little slow. At least it doesn't say Victoria Trades on it.
Yes, Miss Trades?
Amen.
Miss you. Oh, babe, no, never lie.
So it is the last day, third day, final day,
And it's 12 o'clock.
and it's 12 o'clock. Most of the gentlemen stayed out until 6 a.m.
Well, what was your favorite part? What did you do? What happened last night?
Got a lot of great information.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What was your favorite information?
That
Period. That is the whole reason why we came to this conference. It's fitting. Oh, you'd be so cute in a tennis court right now. You gonna take some tennis court pics?
in this outfit?
Yeah. We love. What else happened last night?
Peyton sang a lot. She was the life of the party.
Portraits?
Some
people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. I was just sitting here thinking. You what?
Short and platinum.
Nice.
Gold looks like it's hitting a pretty important spot and falling over. Crude finally pulled back a little bit, but today's Friday, so I'm gonna have to hold it for the weekend.
It's a good move.
Maybe.
How many contracts?
I did 30, so I didn't do 40.
Cozy.
Cozy. Well, 20's cozy. But this may possibly be the first inkling of a pullback since we haven't had one since freaking who knows how long.
Yeah.
So maybe this is some sort of a pullback. We'll see. All right, we're in 30 contracts, short position here. If it breaks this, dude, it's game over. That'll be my biggest trade I've ever had, if it breaks. But now I'm jinxing it. I need to knock on some wood. Okay, but dude, we're doing well. We're doing well. We're up 40,000 bucks, dude. Crazy.
Good job, Tori Trades.
I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to concentrate on the information being given during the keynote. But when I tell you guys that I'm up my record amount and I'm seeing this just tank and drop in my favor, everything was pointing to just close this trade.
So I think we have that under like a feature flag to make sure that it's going to be used.
You have to get approved for that.
Yeah, but
For obvious reasons.
yeah. So yeah, I mean, there's some things we're doing on payments where it's like, because right now we're merchant of record on all our transactions, and we're adding a little bit more flexibility so that if people do want to do their own merchant of record, they can, and that would allow for things like that easier. Because if we're a merchant of record, we can't.
We're back in London. The event is over.
It's over.
We've made it back to London.
And we done slept in again. Tried to get breakfast.
We tried to get breakfast. It was closed. They were done serving breakfast. So we walked to Viola's. And it was an okay breakfast.
It was not good at all.
We had a giant French toast and some
It tastes like a
Donkey
pound of
tacos
sugar.
from London. Then we got a good look coffee from Cafe Nero.
Yeah.
We're just gonna go to Buckingham Palace and just lay in the grass.
No, we're not.
We have brought Nashville to London. We decided to go to a Beyonce concert.
You're in such good seats, dude.
Alright, we made it to our seats. Getting ready for the concert.
It's a lot of talking going on. They call me the captain, the catwalk assassin when they know it's not. I'm out in money, but they never take the country I'm in. When I hit the stage, don't be the best believer you see a chick. Hold down, don't be it. Come take it to the floor now. Woo!
We did it. We're done. Oh, what? We're done with her. We're done with her.
The concert's over. We're not done with her. We love her.
We love.
That was iconic.
Oh my god! But honestly, I envied the most her breath control.
I was wondering.
Out of all that,
Yeah, never out of breath.
I'm not out of breath. Oh my god! I wonder what her prep is. Like, what does Beyonce do before stage? You know what I mean? That's the most inspiring thing I've ever seen in my life. Beyonce's country.
And finally, time to head home and call it a trip. Back to the US.